Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Yalla Let's Go. So today we'll be preparing some Arabic food. Today I'll be making some homemade chicken shawarma. I was in Dubai and Dubai mein I had the shawarma and it was absolutely delicious. बहुत ही मजे का. So today I'm making some homemade shawarma and here I have some thigh pieces. I have deboned the thigh pieces. So I've got these thigh pieces and I was at the supermarket, the Adonis Middle Eastern market, and from there I have this spice mix. So there are many recipes for shawarma. इसमें spices already mixed हैं, but generally like powder, paprika powder, cayenne powder, and then some people put mint, dry mint. Then you have curry powder. So everybody has a different recipe. So I got this ready-made masala. तो हम लोग quickly एक marinate करेंगे chicken shawarma का, and we will be making the shawarma at home. So what we'll do first is we will take our chicken, put it in a nice deep dish, and we will season it with some salt and pepper. And we will also add some fresh chopped garlic. So we've mixed the salt and pepper and the garlic in the chicken, and now we'll be preparing our yogurt mix. So we will take about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Nice good helping here. And we will add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We will also add some of this chopped garlic, finish whatever we have, about half a tablespoon, heaping spoon. And we'll add some lemon juice. Some salt, some pepper, and lastly we will add this shawarma spice. So I don't want to use too much because it smells very strong. So I will add about less than 2 teaspoons because I only have 4 pieces of chicken thighs. Give this a nice mix. So I have my yogurt all mixed in properly, and we will add all of this to the chicken. So here we have the chicken all marinated. What we will do, we will cover it with some cling film and put it in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours to get it more depth of flavor. I love shawarma, especially chicken shawarma. And what happens is, even like when you go outside, when you're at a restaurant, हम जब बाहर जाते हैं restaurant में खाते हैं shawarma, I don't like everybody's ingredients. I don't like everybody's taste. I don't like everybody's cooking methods. हर किसी का अलग अलग तरीका होता है, and we as customers we have to eat whatever we get. जिस जगह जो shawarma मिलता है हमें वो खाना पड़ता है. And many times I don't like the shawarma because I grew up in Kuwait. मैं कुवैत में बड़ा हुआ हूँ, तो मुझे shawarma की तमीज़ है. मुझे पता है कि उसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है, कितना जूसी होना चाहिए, उसमें कितनी क्वांटिटी होनी चाहिए चिकन की. So we have the chicken out and we will be cooking it at room temperature. We've taken a deep dish, and the first thing we want to do with the dish is grease it. So we will take some oil and we will just grease around the entire pan before we put the chicken in. And we will set the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'd like to cook it at different temperatures, sometimes high, sometimes low. And I'd like to get a good color. So this was the final color that I got after almost 50 minutes of cooking. And we will take the chicken and we will cut it up into smaller pieces, into small chunks. We have this pita bread that I got from Adonis, and we will break it in half. We will open it up, and first thing we want to do is something that is non-tradition. So normally hummus is not applied, but I like applying hummus, and garlic is a lot of garlic is very important in shawarma. And then we start putting up our shredded chicken. So put a decent amount of chicken because that is what the main ingredient is. It's chicken. It's chicken shawarma. So we have to put a good amount of chicken. And then I'd like to put some French fries. I was in Saudi Arabia and Dubai earlier this year, and I noticed that they put French fries in their shawarma. And then we've got some pickled turnips, and then we'll be putting lettuce and onion and tomato. And I also have some tahini. So there's some tahini, not a lot, just a little bit of tahini sauce. So we will now roll our shawarma, and we just add a little bit more garlic sauce on top before you roll it. And we have our shawarma here. And before that, I'd like to put it on the gas, give it a nice heat, make it a little crispy before I serve it. And there you go, the shawarma is ready. Homemade chicken shawarma ready in 1 hour. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yalla, let's go.